Hey guys, it's your girl Candy. I am back. Guys, I took a short break, but yes, I am back on the grind. And so today I'm coming to you guys with another hairstyle video. This is a faux lock look, and these are going to be crochet faux locks but individually installed. So I'm starting off with individual braids. Yes, just doing a plait or a braid, then I just transition that braid into a twist just for ease and speed of installation. And of course, I am definitely going ahead and using one of my favorite Amazon hair, which is this Faux Locs hair from the CO. Yes, I would definitely always leave the link for you guys. So do not worry. Yes, just check the description box and you will see the link. All right. But this hair is well constructed, and of course, the method that I'm using is one that will leave your hair secure. You don't have to worry about unraveling or premature loosening of the style. So I'm just using this spring twist hair to wrap the root section of the locks, just to make sure that the hair is covered right at the section where the lock is joined with her hair. And I make sure that I wrap it well beyond the joining point, just to ensure that there is no chance of the hair slipping. Of course, I will show and explain to you guys a little bit more about the installation, so do not worry, do not fret. Of course, palm rolling is important because that just helps to seal the end of the lock and give it that nice, seamless, smooth finish. All right, so the hair, yes, again, is from Amazon. So I push the crochet tool in the loop of the lock, and the braided hair, I attach the end of the braided hair to the crochet tool, pull the hair through the loop of the locks. Then I insert my tool at the base of her braid, attach the end of her braid, close the latch, and pull the end through the base. It sounds a little bit confusing, but I promise you it's not. All right, and I insert the loop again, or sorry, the tool at the base of the hair, and I attach the wrapping hair, pull it through, and the shorter piece I just hold against her hair, and the longer piece I use to start the wrapping. Guys, it's after 5 in the morning, so excuse my groggy voice. All right, so wrapping all the way around in place for maybe about 2 or 3 revolutions. Then I just start wrapping downwards, making sure that you are holding the hair tightly in place. You want to make sure that the hair is not too loose. If it is loose, guys, it's game over. Don't even bother continuing, because those locks are going to come loose in record time. So make sure that you are wrapping them securely enough. Again, palm rolling to seal it. And yeah, so this is how it's looking so far. And the hair is 14 inches long. And the color is color number 4. And I did go ahead and literally use every last lock in the 8 packs that the hair comes with. The package has the package has 8 packs of individual packs included, and I did use every last one. Now I forgot to count how many locks are in each of these individual packs, but yeah, I promise you it's enough. Or if you know you want more locks on your head than what I installed on hers, go ahead and order 2 packages. But if you want this amount or less, then you are fine ordering just 1 package. All right. Again, I'm showing you guys the process. Once I attach the lock to her hair, I insert the tool at the base and join the crochet tool with the end of her hair and pull it through the base, and you just want to wrap. But in order to wrap, I insert the crochet tool and actually pull the wrap hair through the base of her hair first. Then I'm going to hold the shorter piece against her hair, and the longer piece I use to start the wrapping process. All right. And again, making sure that you wrap in place for about 2 or 3 revolutions before you start wrapping downwards. All right, guys, and this is actually a very good long-term protective style. It is a very reliable style. It is a very versatile style. It is absolutely lightweight, so you don't have to worry about your style being uncomfortable or being heavy. It is one that allows you to still get to your scalp. Yes, very important. And so you can definitely keep your hair in a healthy condition or healthy state, and it will truly do what it's supposed to do, which is to protect your hair. All right. So guys, we are going to be revealing the outcome, and this is how it turned out, guys. Yes. Very, very neat. Yes. Very nice, very neat, and the hairstyle is just, as I said before, it's very versatile, so you can actually style it in so many different ways. I didn't get the chance to explore styling because of time constraints, but I promise you, you name the style, you can achieve it with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I do post every Wednesday and Saturday, so become a part of the Natural Hair Dynamics gang. Thank you guys so much. Have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and all the best for 2025. Bye.